Guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can merge two dictionaries and assign the result to a variable. So I'm using Python version 3.9.4. so for those who are using lower versions, just bear in mind that this may not work for you. You might have to update your Python first and then you can try to use this one. So as you all know, dictionaries are used to store data in this kind of form, like key and value. So let's just go ahead and create a dictionary and see how they work. So for this dictionary, I'm just gonna put three values like A and B. B is gonna be 34 and C like this. So let's go ahead and print this one. Let's print this dictionary. So as you can see, the dictionary is imprinted. So let's go ahead and create another one and try to merge the two dictionaries into one variable. So let's just call this one dictionary 2, and this one is going to be having C, the variable C, the same value, I guess, just for the same value. D, okay, that's a random number. Okay, so now I'm gonna print these two dictionaries just to see them before we can merge them. So this is dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. Now we want to merge these two dictionaries into a third variable. So we're just gonna go ahead and name this variable 3, and this is how you can merge these two dictionaries. You just do this and use the this operator, and that's it. Now we have to print the third dictionary, the merged one, like this. Let's go ahead and print it, and let's just go ahead and name this one so we won't get confused which one is which. So 1, okay, so now let's go ahead and check if, so first let me clear this first and run it. So as you can see, this is dictionary 1, A, B and C, and dictionary 2 is 3 values, A, like C, D and E. But we merged these two dictionaries into this third one, which contains A, B, C, D and E. And look at this one. Dictionary 1 and dictionary 2, they both have the C value. But in the third dictionary, this value has been merged into a single value. So we don't have duplicates here. There is only one C value because this key and value are the same. So in the third dictionary, they're just going to be put as a single key value. So that's it guys for this video. See you in the next one.